Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacino. So, people were requesting an update for Virgin Galactic, SPCE. I think last time we checked in it was running up here. We got this minor divergence, hope everybody spotted that. Remember, slightly lower low in the RSI, higher high. Then we got the pullback. Could not hold the rotation zone, could not hold the prior resistance becoming support. So you had this little support shelf here. You see here it held for a little bit, then it dropped below there, dropping below the rotation zone. Next key area you should have been watching was right down here. Remember, look at the candle bodies. So it's an area, so I'd be focused on especially this big runaway candle lining up with this key level, lining up just below. See if you put the cursor on there, it's matching up with a bunch of these lows. You could go there or there. It's just all a general area. Support and resistance, it's not like a brick wall. Okay, it's a general area, so you're trying to find the most likely area for it to stop in the vicinity. So if I were to draw two lines, one would be here, right about here where it is, and the other one would be there. So I'd have a little support window, came back down, dropping below that, gapping up, but then dropping below it again. So that is very, very key level. On any rally, really watching this little prior area at the top of the rotation zone. So about 1730 to about 1750 is key resistance now. This is already broken below a couple times, below this level. Strong market day, we gapped up, but then it couldn't sustain it. Lots of selling pressure coming in. It's out of oversold condition. So really, right now you should start watching this level right around 1560. Close below there, then you'll start watching for the bigger pullback. Let's jump out to the daily. Here's your daily. Gonna take these levels up. I'll just bump them up to here for now. So key area on the daily, if we break below about that 1560 area, we're going to be watching for a pullback to 14. 14 is the 200 period simple moving average. That's the next key level, and then 1325. So about 14 and 1325 are the next key levels lower. If we start making a down move, we'll get some separation on the rotation zone, so that will be a resistance area on any rallies. It's still too flat, and you can see here, this is a better picture of the daily support and resistance. So if we line up those candle bodies, see right along here, okay, 1670 based off the daily. And look where we gapped up to today. What did we gap up to? Let's see what the open was, 1670. Gapping up right to that area, what we found watching the candle bodies, and then selling down, and also just above that was the starting to separate rotation zone. So that is a very key level on the daily chart. So if you're seeing any rallies in the 1670, really watch how it reacts at that level. But it was already rejected too, so this is a rotation down, not only from the first separation of the rotation zone, but also of this prior support level becoming resistance. So that's pretty powerful. It could not sustain anything above there, even with a very, very strong market day out of oversold condition. So we're going to be watching for the potential break lower and then those key levels. So depending on if you're playing it from the short side now, you know the targets. If you're playing it from the long side, you have to wait and watch for an entry pattern, something down at a key level. And we do not have any long entries at this point. It's favoring the short side. Again, not trading advice, educational advice, so you can help learn how to trade these markets, how to use price action, whether you're trading the cryptos, whether you're trading some stocks, you know, whether you're trading foreign exchange, it doesn't really matter, or the futures. This is all just educational. It works in every market, just trying to teach key concepts to help everybody. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.